Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today. Looking for a complete opinion writing unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In this video, you will learn about opinion writing, including the parts of an opinion essay. First, let's go over what is an opinion. An opinion is what you think, believe, or feel about a certain topic. It's important to remember that people can have different opinions about the same topic. Knowing what an opinion is will make it easier to write an opinion essay. Basically, an opinion essay is where a writer tells their thoughts, feelings, or beliefs about a topic, with lots of supporting information to explain why they have this opinion. What do you write in an opinion essay? Every essay begins with a title. The first paragraph of an opinion essay is called the introduction. Then there are the body paragraphs that have reasons and examples. And the last paragraph is the conclusion. Let's take a quick look at each of these paragraphs. So, what do you write in the introduction? There are two parts that you need to include in your introduction. One part is the opinion sentence. This is a complete sentence that tells your opinion, what you think, feel, and believe about a topic. The other part is the hook. The hook is what grabs the reader's attention. What's important to know about body paragraphs? These are all of the paragraphs that come in between the introduction and conclusion. In most opinion essays, you will write 3 body paragraphs. Are you wondering, what do you write in the body paragraphs? In each one, you will write different reasons and examples. Your reasons explain why you have your opinion, and the examples give evidence that supports the reasons. Without all of this information in your body paragraphs, readers may not believe your opinion could be true. What do you write in the conclusion? Well, there are 3 parts. The first part is the restated opinion sentence. This is your opinion sentence from your introduction, just written in a different way. The next part is background information. Background information is important details that the readers need to know about your topic. This will connect to the last part of a conclusion called your call to action. The call to action gives your reader a suggestion of what to do based on the background information you wrote. Now that you know the parts of an opinion essay, how do you start one? First, you pick a topic that you know a lot about. When you have your topic, you turn it into an opinion by writing what you think, believe, or feel about it. When you have your opinion, you have to explain it to your readers. You'll do this by elaborating on your opinion with reasons and examples. You're ready to get started writing your own opinion essay. Be sure to watch all the opinion writing videos to help you learn how to write a strong opinion essay. Thanks for watching our teaching video on what is opinion writing. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our opinion writing units and products. Check the description for more.